So I'm just working on these parts for a 3D printer, adding these features to mount a different type of hot end. And I was using these files and I thought it might be quite cool to show you what they are. So these are called crank files. And when I first saw the name, I thought it was a bad translation, but you can see they're called that because they're shaped like a crank. And what they allow you to do is to kind of file something flush to a surface when you might not otherwise have clearance. They're really useful. You can get them in flat. This is a flat one. You can get them in half round and round and maybe even triangle. I don't know. They're made by Tsubosan in Japan, and Tsubosan make a lot of different types of files. Most files that you'll get made from Japan are by them. They also make things called boat files, which have a shape like a boat, like the hull of a boat. So they're kind of curved instead of crank shaped like that. And then the other thing I wanted to show you was a joint round file. So this looks like a flat file, but if you look really closely, you'll see that in profile, it's actually rounded. So this is a cutting edge as well. So is this. So the edges are rounded. So essentially, I guess you'd say a rounded rectangle, kind of, although it's more of a semicircle on the ends. And this is really useful, especially in this size, for making like USB-C port cutouts and things like that. But I was just using it to kind of knock off the burrs raised on the edge of this because I was doing it with a little micro grinder.